Alright, I need to fucking do the mounts and shit on it.
Oh, you wired up headlights?
Yeah, it's got lights in it. This one came with them.
Is this a birthday present?
From myself to myself, you know what I'm saying?
What's up, man? You cold?
I'm freezing, bro.
You look comfy.
Low key, I'm kind of comfy. That should sit nice.
Yeah, it's taking way more on this one. Headlights, stop.
I wonder what's in the box, but it's okay.
What's in the fucking box?
Cereal, damn. Probably some Frosted Flakes, damn. Yeah, you know, Gian's using it as a workbench, so yeah, that's cool. That's cool. We'll just wait. We'll just wait, you know.
Eventually. Eventually. Okay. Not gonna open it. But right now, fucking busy.
What is going on, guys? Back with another vlog. So as you guys saw at the very end, if you guys made it all the way to the end of last vlog, if you did, you're a real one. But you guys saw I showed this box. Now it's finally time to unbox it. We've been wanting this for a long time now. It's definitely gonna help out the shop, so we're excited. You guys excited?
Yes, sir.
Let's fucking do it.
Don't use the finger.
I know, huh? Look at them. It's cool.
Ah, damn.
Damn, this motherfucker.
Look, boy. Oh, no, it's so greasy.
So freaking machine oil on it. Yeah, it's a something from wrestling.
Sheesh. Boy.
This is not a cotton candy.
This is, what the fuck? I thought we were getting cotton candy. I thought we were getting cotton
This is a cotton candy.
Damn. Is that what we were? I thought it was a Mega Master baby.
Pull it sides, yo. You gotta turn these. See how these tabs are? Turn it flat.
No, we just pull it break.
No, you just pull it flat. Like
damn.
You do it like that.
Up, return it.
Mayflower.
Oh man, it doesn't match the compressor. Oh.
We'll have to paint them.
I know, it's just rattle cans. One of them.
Wow.
Finally got a tire machine.
Wow.
Finally got a tire machine, guys.
Hell yeah. Open up.
Hey, you guys already know I had to get a manual, so we have no idea how to assemble this. So good thing we have some instructions.
You got a Chinese boy right here.
Okay. Hey, I don't know if you guys remember the EK hash that was in here, but it's his. You know, he's just visiting.
What up?
Yes, sir.
What up, brother?
Vlog real quick, but yes, let's.
Long travel.
I mean, Gian looks like he's got it under control.
I'm just like gonna twist and hit buttons until something right happens. We're gonna need Allen key for this.
Just put a few bolts in. Put like 4.
Yeah, we might,
just to hold it up.
The thing is, we might have to put it in first.
Nah, you look in the manual.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
It didn't say shit about that part. Not.
Did these stop going in?
Yeah, not like all the way.
Oh, I was gonna say maybe the small ones go in the front, but no.
Yeah, no, the small ones are probably the back.
Alright, so the first major step was getting this big ass column on top. This shaft, this big old
shaft.
There, you talking to Dutch Spook?
Click.
The almighty single cam. Alright, what else came with the tire?
Let's see. Oh, wow. Even yellow ones.
Guards, right, for the wheel?
Oh, man.
There's spare duck heads.
That's a duck cover. That's a duck.
Right here.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
It's a duck, guys.
Now, well, the girl won't go flying.
We got 3 of them now.
Oh, man.
Damn.
Look at
bro.
this protector. Watch it. No, it's not.
What is that?
No, it is.
They call it.
Is it?
Yeah,
condom?
it's for this one.
Alright, so that's how we're looking, guys. Pretty much. Oh,
What?
got power.
Oh, look at that.
Light flickers, you know, nothing big.
I didn't even realize that.
We got the air pressure gauge right there for the tire. Then we got the pressure right here for the machine. And everything is connected. So we're gonna connect the compressor right now, get some air to it, and see if it works.
It's almost done, bro.
You guys know
It's almost official.
cord that had like the pins on it?
That response was nice too.
Yeah, do it again.
Let's take off the gloves.
Watch, wait. Do this, watch.
Yeah.
So you're gonna make a quick trip to Lowe's.
Alright, so the tire machine is ready to go. Gian and Sebastian just went to the store real quick because we need a certain fitting. The ones we have don't work. So in the meanwhile, we're gonna let the compressor build up some air, so it's gonna get pretty loud. But hell yeah, guys. We're gonna
Clean up and
get
get everything situated.
Yeah, we gotta clean up for sure.
We got a tire machine.
Go, baby. Let's
Go, bro. So stoked.
Game changer for sure. Yeah, so we don't have the luxury of bolting it on the floor here, so we're just gonna leave it on the pallets, and it'll be sturdy like that because it's already bolted. And if we don't bolt it in, then it's gonna be like moving everywhere, trying to put on the tires and everything. So, hell yeah, man.
Bro. No more getting scammed by shitty tire shops into making that.
Nah, we're gonna scam each other. Hey, you wanna take off your mount, or you wanna take off your tire, bro? Fucking $80.
Alright, bro.
These are the different models. I was looking at the 560 because it was cheaper, but it only goes up to an 18-inch wheel, and that's kind of small. You can't really do much with that. All the homies are like 19, 20, so this is the Mayflower 950. Those are the specifications. It goes up to a 20-inch.
Yeah,
So
20's going like in like this, and then outward to 24s. Damn.
it just looks so good in this corner, like it was meant to be there. But compressor is filled up. We're just waiting on them to come back with the fitting, and we'll test this baby out. My boy worked how many years at Sears before they closed
almost
down?
5 years. Almost 5 years.
Yeah, my boy, a pro. He done out here.
Scraping wheels every day. Here's the other tab.
Alright, so thankfully Sebastian has an extra tire.
Shout out to Palabra Fools.
Yeah, what he said. But one of the beads on one side's already broken, but it's cool. We still get to test out the bead breaker, and then we're gonna get this tire off. Sheesh. It's gonna be muscle memory for Jesse right here.
Cold shit, man.
It is cold as shit. We need another heater. Got a tire machine, but no heater.
Whenever we're doing this, if it has like a tire pressure thing, and it's like, yeah, don't pop the bead on that because you'll break the sensor. And we do not want to break no sensors.
Wise words.
Oh, yup.
You just hold it to a pot?
Yep. Pop it and then. So you see how this? Okay, so now let that air out on that. Pull this guy right here. So this is gonna be fun.
Okay.
No, yeah, I'm fine. Okay, so we need to lift it up just until these things clamp. There we go. There it is. Go! It's on there. Okay.
Pretty quiet once the compressor, you know, is filled up.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Shattered.
Good idea. You broke it, especially. I can't believe you broke it. Holy crap, these are some small ass tires.
Yeah, this is a good test. Oh,
Yeah, we really need lube. Probably get some on Amazon this week. So then,
No, it's easy from here.
yep. Pull that all the way that way.
oh, you don't need to flip the wheel.
Not usually.
No, that'll be your turn.
Make sure you got some stick. There we go.
Yep, button.
Oh my god.
Like that, baby.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, guys.
Put it back on.
Alright, now
Bro. Hey, could you check where's the thing at?
Alright guys, so what happened with the other tire? Why was it a bitch?
because it was a fucking small ass stretch.
30 series.
Yeah, that was a 30 tire wall size tire. It was like a 215/30 on the 18.
But we got it done.
Yeah, we did get it back on.
Yeah.
That was a bit.
This machine doesn't have a pivoted arm, so it's a little bit harder for like super skinny tires, but for normal ones.
Voila.
5 minutes.
Oh, literally not even 2 minutes.
Normal tires all day. All day.
It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be fucking loud.
Oh, and it's moved.
That's good. Keep going.
Now you're tripping. Oh my god. It's not even it. Oh, it's not even it.
Oh, that's not even it.
Yeah, it's not even it. Now you're tripping, huh?
Run.
It goes through the ceiling.
Run. There she goes. The customer wheel.
Press it
Hit that one. Press it down.
Monster train. Well, give us some good advice.
Oh,
on stuff.
Always be careful with the valve stem. That's pretty much it. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, why everything is shit?
You're good.
Maybe the wheel wasn't setting.
Yeah. So now stop it.
And then you pull it up.
So go ahead and pull it up, but make sure this guy, when you do it, right there, stop. Right here. Just that you push this down,
Entertainment, yep.
and then you go like this. Push that down, like all the way down. Go ahead and hit it. Make sure it's not hitting the valve stem. Let it go.
Too juicy.
And then all done. And then go ahead and spin this all the way. Go ahead and cap that.
Hasta mi gusto.
Hey, so what do you think? What do you guys think about it?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Yes.
10 out of 10, baby.
Yes.
We love it.
So I forgot to record an outro, but there you have it. Tire machine works great. Really happy with it. So for that machine, if you guys are interested, it was about $1,600, and then shipping it came out to like $1,800-ish. But I say it's worth it for the money. Really impressed with it. Quality's there, and it works great. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a thumbs up if you did, and if you guys are new, please consider subscribing. It's free, really quick to do, and it helps me out. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Later, guys.